In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do scalping on Binance, a quick and effective trading strategy that focuses on small, fast profits. Whether you're well versed in crypto trading or just getting started, this tutorial will guide you through the essentials of scalping on the Binance platform in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in. First, begin by opening the Binance app on your device. Navigate to either the futures or spot trading section, depending on your preference. Both options have their merits, but for scalping, it's important to consider the one that best aligns with your trading goals and experience. Once you're set in the trading environment, your next step is to focus on choosing a highly liquid trading pair. Popular options include BTC USDT or ETH USDT due to their significant market activity and volume. The liquidity of these pairs will enable you to easily enter and exit trades quickly, a crucial factor in the scalping strategy we're implementing today. Next, you'll want to set up 1 minute or 5 minute charts. These shorter time frames will allow you to observe minute by minute price movements, providing a detailed view of the ongoing market dynamics. Additionally, make sure to enable Trading View, which gives you access to various technical indicators that are essential for making informed trading decisions. Speaking of indicators, employing tools such as MACD, RSI, or Bollinger Bands is key to identifying quick entry and exit signals in the market. Each of these indicators offers unique insights. For example, MACD can help identify changes in momentum, RSI will give you clues on overbought or oversold conditions, and Bollinger Bands offer a perspective on market volatility. Utilize these tools to help time your trades effectively and boost your chances of success. When it comes to executing trades, use limit or market orders to ensure swift action. The choice between the two depends on your specific need for precision or speed. Limit orders will allow you to specify the price at which you want your trade executed, while market orders offer speed and are executed at the current market price. It's also crucial to set tight stop loss and take profit targets. Scalping is about minimizing risk while maximizing potential profits in a short time frame. Having these targets in place helps protect your capital and ensures you lock in gains efficiently. Finally, the essence of scalping is in repetition. Look for opportunities based on quick price movements and act on them, aiming for small, consistent profits. Over time, these small gains can add up significantly, making scalping an appealing strategy for many traders. And that's it. You've now got the basics of scalping on Binance down. Remember, like any trading strategy, practice and experience are key components to becoming proficient. So, start small, observe the markets and hone your skills. Thank you for watching and happy trading.